Hello everybody. My wife got a new chair at work, and when they deliver the new chairs, the office supply company, they bring them in boxes. Now I guess they do have for a small fee, they'll go ahead and assemble them, but she just went ahead and had them deliver the chair, and then she tossed it in the back of her van and brought it home. And tonight, I'm going to assemble that chair for her. Let me show you what she got. Looks like a pretty nice chair to me. I don't know anything about chairs. Some of you guys may know a lot more about office furniture than I do, but it's got a lot of adjustments where you can adjust the arms and the back, in or out, up or down, to kind of give you a better feel when you spend a lot of time sitting behind a computer. I guess it's considered ergonomic, but I don't really know. I'm just going to take it in the house, and I'm going to go ahead and get it assembled for her, and then I'll stick it back in the back of the van. And she goes to work tomorrow, she can take it in with her, and she's got a new chair. finished the chair. It's ready to go. I'll let my wife take care of making all the adjustments to it so that it fits her comfortably. I'm going to go ahead and load it up in the van, and she can take it into work with her tomorrow. Thanks for hanging out with me tonight. I appreciate it, and come back and see me again real soon. Have a great evening, everybody.